And today we're going to be checking out the Holystone 440D GPS drone. How cool is that? It's always fun to get a drone review in from time to time. So first we're going to do the unboxing, see what all they're going to give us in this nice neat little package, and then we're going to take this out, do some flights. We're going to test the GPS, we're going to test the return to home, and we're going to check out the camera quality. So let's get into it. Alright, so here it is right here. The Holystone 440D works on a 2.4 gigahertz band. It's foldable. It has a waypoint mode, has a 4K HD camera, it says, with GPS return. So let's go ahead and open her up. Gotta love it when they give you a sweet little carrying case to keep everything together. It is a gray cloth case with zippers. Open this up. Inside is the little drone right here. I'm going to pull the controller out first. You can see that they have a flight card, is what I call it. It just is an overlay on your remote control, so you can see what all the different controls, buttons, and switches do to operate the drone. They have information on the front and the back. Here's the drone controller itself. It works off of 3 AAA batteries, and it looks like the center flips up here and has a phone holder inside, so you can hold your cell phone so you can see what you're doing while you're flying and see what the drone actually sees. Here's one battery. Here's the drone itself. It's got these little safety locks. And check out this little guy. This is definitely going to fall under the sub 250 gram. We got to unfold these first, and then these. And this is going to be the up close look of your little drone. Now the camera is shock mounted. It is not a gimbal. It's a nice compact foldable little design. You can see where your battery goes in the back right there. Look at the bottom. This is where your power switch is. It's got this light gray and mixed with the dark gray finish, which makes it look very cool. And I'm assuming that these are just cooling fins right here. You can see you have little vents in there to allow air to get in and keep everything nice and cool on the inside. Let's see what accessories we get. You have a manual in here. We open up this little Ziploc bag. You're going to have a USB charger. You're going to have a little Phillips head screwdriver, and this is going to be for making repairs and changing out your props. And they're going to give you 2 extra props, one right hand turn and one left hand turn. Okay, so now that we've seen what's inside the package, let's go ahead and get this thing outside, do some flights. So let's go outside and have some fun. Okay, so here we are on location with the little Holystone 440D, and we're going to go ahead, we're going to put this thing in the air and we're going to see what it has. Now I'm not going to take it really high, just for the fact that it's a windy day and I don't want a gust to take it because I don't know how strong it is. But we are going to put it up and collect some footage, and then I'm going to give you my thoughts about how it flies. So let's get that done. All right, I'm just connecting to the Holystone Wi-Fi. I'm going to pull the app up. The app is called Holystone FPV. And now we have to deal with a leaf blower. All right, so we have the drone recording. So now we have the little drone over here in the grass. I'm going to take it off. I'm hoping it'll reset the home point to right here, because we are going to try the return to home function. Makes me nervous. There's a lot of trees around here, but hopefully I can override it. Let's hit return to home. Return to home is started. I'm not going to move the camera. We're going to see if it comes back down to where it took off from. It is going back to where I just took off from. And it looks like the most important function, the return to home, is working very well. It's coming down almost exactly where I took off from, despite all the wind. It's even giving me a warning on the screen. Please pay attention to the wind speed. Check that out. Great job, Holy Stone. So as you can see, the little Holy Stone 440D is a great little beginner drone. The footage isn't that bad. You can tilt the camera up and down if you choose to. Even though it doesn't have a gimbal, if you were flying on a nice calm day, you can get some really good smooth footage out of it. But it is meant to be a beginner drone after all. So it's going to give you the practice you need to help you develop your skills. So when you do decide, and if you decide to stay in the drone world and move up, then you will have the skills required to do so. And this little 440D is a great way to get into the hobby. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.